Welcome back to Zai's World, and today we are going to be making slime with balloons. And yes, I am in my room. I didn't want to make a big old mess because I saw some videos that explodes in their face, explodes everywhere, so I didn't want to mess the main room up. You can put it in the way you can put the solution have you it's all I got one. I mean, let's do the okay, let's get 1, 2. So guys, I got my green and my blue. And it doesn't matter what company glue you have, it just needs to be glue. But Emma's is just the best choice. Let's put that to the side. Let's put our shaving foam in here. So yeah, it's gonna be so fluffy. Okay. Stir. Okay. Stir it, guys. Stir. Okay. Look at that. Looks so cool. It already looks satisfying. Okay. Okay. Let's do a baking soda. So scared. 1, 2. Okay. Boom. Oh God, Jesus. My color. 1. Come on. Where I get it? Because I want to get my hands wet. Okay. Now, let's stir it a little bit. And I'm making blue slime. Navy blue slime. Okay. Okay. Okay, now my solution. Okay, I'm so scared. Okay. The solution. Come on. Oh, Jesus. That scared me for some reason. I knew it was coming. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm glad I got that done. I just start cool ball. So, okay. I'm going to start mixing with my hands. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So this is what this looks like. I think this is. I think I need some. All that same cream in. I think I need some more contact solution, guys. So I'll be right back. So guys, I got right contact solution. Okay. Let me just get that mixing. I think this is gonna be a fail, guys. I don't know. Like, it's like slime, but it's not. I think because I put all that shaping for me. That's so nasty. Ew. It looks like a toilet. Okay, guys, this was a complete fail. That was my fault because I put a whole bunch of shaving cream in it. So, never put a whole bunch of shaving cream, okay? Just don't, because you see what happened. Okay, guys, so I hope you liked this video. Probably didn't because it was a fail. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of this video and what do you want me to do next. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.